6 golden rules, if we follow, should be no problems with the MSE placement. The arms of the MSE are designed in a way that you can easily bend by your fingers and adapt according to the pallet shape. First thing, we should bend us like this, around 90 degree, and then we have to place the MSE on the level of zygomatic buttress, which is usually on the level of 6s. Cephalogram will show that more accurately. The MSE should not exceed the two lines distal to the canines and the first molars. The arrows should be positioned anteriorly to indicate the activation direction. And that's rule number 3. The arms of the MSE should be bent in a way to be kept 2 millimeters far from the pallet, and that's the rule number 4. The MSE should be aligned with the palatal suture. So the palatal suture should be contained in the middle of the MSE between the side screws in an equal distance. And that is the rule number 5. The rule number 6 is that we should make that MSE parallel to the floor, to the true horizon. In ideal cases, the MSE should be in contact with the palatal tissue. In case of narrow and deep palate, we could trim the bars or cut one of the arms to make it fit. Thank you for watching. For any questions, please leave in the comment or direct message.